germs or viruses or bacteria that can make you sick. Germbusters! Germs can cause vomiting, colds, flus, and diarrhea.
Go.
Okay, we could cough in our sleep, or we could cough here, or...
And why do we do that, Charlie?
So we could so we can not spread germs of other people.
That's
like
perfect.
Like my friend Camden.
Yeah, we don't want to spread our germs to Camden. Great job, Charlie. That's awesome, Camden. And why do we do that?
So you don't spread germs.
Awesome.